What happens to your body if you eat honey every day? Honey is obtained by collecting the nectar secreted from flowers or other living parts of plants by honeybees. It is a natural and functional food produced by storing in honeycombs. There are nearly 200 components in honey. With what you will hear, you will never miss honey on your tables. Thanks to the components it contains, honey has been used as the most natural medicine throughout history. When consuming honey, you should choose natural and organic. Now we can move on to the benefits of honey. Honey protects the heart. Studies show that honey regulates heart rhythm and lowers blood pressure. It protects the cells by balancing the fat level in the blood. Thanks to its antioxidants, it reduces the risk of heart failure. Natural honey contains propolis. Propolis protects our heart by balancing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. High cholesterol is one of the most important causes of heart disease. With regular consumption of honey, your cholesterol level decreases. It minimizes your risk of developing heart disease. Honey is good for cough and sore throat. As a result of scientific research, it has been observed that honey relieves cough and is good for sore throat. It is very effective, especially against cough in children. You can drink it by mixing a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of ginger in a cup of warm water. Thanks to the antimicrobial effect of honey, it creates an environment that inhibits bacteria in the throat and respiratory tract. In the literature, it has been determined that honey is effective not only against bacteria, but also against viruses, fungi, and parasites. Honey strengthens your memory and brain functions. The antioxidant in honey protects your brain cells from damage. As a result of scientific research, it has been proven that it has positive effects on the hippocampus region, which is the memory part of our brain. You can strengthen your short and long-term memory by adding honey to the herbal teas you drink daily. With regular honey consumption, you will be protected against dementia and Alzheimer's disease, which usually occurs when you get older. It has a positive effect on the learning process. It makes learning easier and faster. Honey is cancer preventive. Cancer is one of the most important diseases of our age. Many reasons, including malnutrition, can cause cancer. As a result of the researches, it has been determined that the metabolites in the content of honey have the effect of stopping or slowing the development of cancer cells and tumors. It has been observed that bioactive components such as phenolic acid and flavonoids in the structure of honey prevent oxidative stress that causes cancer. It's been determined that honey consumption is important in the treatment of stomach, colon, and liver cancers. Honey protects our digestive system. Having a healthy digestive system positively affects our mental and physical health. Consuming natural honey keeps our digestive system healthy. Honey is a probiotic that feeds the good bacteria in our intestinal tract. It has been determined that it inhibits the growth of Helicobacter pylori bacteria, the main cause of stomach ulcers. In another study on mice, gastric lesions of subjects fed with honey in the diet were found to decrease. It is very effective in healing wounds in the stomach. In a study on children, it was stated that honey prevented the symptoms of diarrhea. Honey energizes and strengthens the immune system. Do you feel tired? Need pre-workout energy? By adding a teaspoon of honey to your herbal tea, you get the most natural energy drink. The glucose contained in honey is converted into energy in a short time by our body. Honey raises blood sugar less than processed sugars. By strengthening your immune system, you become more resistant to diseases. Honey is a great source of natural carbohydrates that provide strength and energy to our body. It increases the performance and endurance of athletes and is effective in reducing muscle fatigue. Natural sugars play an important role in preventing fatigue during exercise. Honey promotes healing of wounds. Honey helps wounds heal as it acts as a barrier between the wound and the air. It also prevents the wounds from getting bacteria. According to studies, honey has also been found to have antiviral and antifungal properties. The acidity of honey ensures the release of oxygen in the wound and accelerates healing. Honey accelerates the healing of acne. You can mix half a spoon of turmeric with a teaspoon of honey and apply it on the pimples.